good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Oh my. NVDA. I told you guys, people get stupid. Don't ever get stupid and learn. Write stuff down and learn. I keep telling you this stuff, okay? Look, nothing is super rocket science when you get smarter. Lilly. How about Lilly yesterday, okay? Lilly. Insane moves. Lilly goes, Kramer comes out and talks it up, and he says there's news coming NVO on Sunday. NVO is doing a study on cardio and their drug, okay? So your heart. The study, he says if it's what he thinks it is, LLY, the company has changed. It's a different company, okay? And if you take this drug, the weight loss drug, it helps your cardio. So now you're going to get demand for cardio, okay? Massive demand. So Nvidia takes off, and we're sitting on the 600s, 130 to 15, 200 grand. We're sitting on the 610s, 130 to 15 again, 200 more grand. We're sitting on 450 of the 630s, and we buy the 645s. And we sell the first batch. This is Sam 101. This is why Sam is Sam. He buys 3 layers because he knows it's going to go up. 130 goes to 4 or 5. He still holds them. Goes to 15, he sells them. He banks 200K. He doesn't care about the rest. So so then Lilly drops from 613 to 594. People sending me messages, Sam, I'm getting killed. I said, how are you getting killed? They're all 5X, 10X, or I didn't sell. One guy sends a message, said, Jesus, Sam, I sold it. I couldn't take it anymore. I had the 630s, I sold it. He took a loss. And immediately my thing is, go watch the video again. You're lying to yourself. Now, he's not happy, okay? But he's lying to himself. If you expected 0 and 50 cents goes to 3 and then it goes to 20 cents, you don't sell it at 20 cents. And then it gets approved and it takes off. And it's sitting at 600 and 606. And over 50 people on Twitter start responding to me, Sam, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. It's going down. It's down. News is in there. I said, you don't understand the news. That's not the news. Everybody knew it was going to get approved. I told you that. The news is the cardio drug. So right now, I take Ozempic. People take it for diabetes, okay? And they can't keep it in stock. There's too much demand. And now it's approved for weight loss, so now you have more demand. And then Sunday, if they start saying everybody with a heart issue needs to take this drug, you have even more demand. Jesus. The demand is ludicrous. So what happens, quiz guys, I'm giving you quizzes, and look, it's okay to be wrong, okay? Just type it in. So what happens when you get monster demand and you can't meet it? What do you do? What do you do? Come on, type it in. Nobody's typing it in. Come on. Raise prices. There you go. What does that do? Takes up earnings. This drug, they already said, is going to be the biggest drug of all time. It may be the biggest drug of all time ever. Now, maybe we go down, Lilly goes down. Maybe it does. Doesn't matter. But maybe it absolutely explodes higher. Absolutely explodes higher. Okay? Interesting. So, then we see. Right? How high can it go? I don't know. It can probably go to 700 or 800. Don't know. Then we see. Now, if the study is bad, it still goes up because it's the weight loss thing. So now, this is how you think. This is why Sam is Sam. So Sam says, high of year is 630. The 620s are only $1, $1.50. Why wouldn't it go to high of year into the news? Why wouldn't it be 630 into the news at a minimum? At a minimum. That takes the 630s to 10. Takes the 640s to 5. That's the logic. Very simple. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia goes down 30, and people are like, oh my God, the chart's broken, it's going down, they don't have demand, they don't have. Sam says, last time Sam said, oh, they're going to come out within a day and say it's not material impact. They come out within an hour and say not material impact. How does Sam know? Sam just calls up Jensen and says, Jensen, is this what you're going to say? No. Sam knows how they think. Sam knows it doesn't matter. Okay? So then it goes way down, and here's the logic. And don't ever forget this one, because this one is a grand slam, and you will make so much money off this the rest of your life, your whole life. You will make this much money. If you get a stock, any stock, that breaks a monster number. So Nvidia monster number was 400. Everybody knew that if it broke 400, it's going to test a little bit lower. If that number breaks, and then it goes back over that number, every single fund in the world, any trader in the world that knows anything, only a complete loser would short more. I'm telling you. What does this mean? It means once Nvidia cleared 401, every single fund in the world should have bought that stock with a 393 stop. Because if it goes back under 400 and breaks, okay, it goes to 470, 460. But you're stopped out. So you only have 8 points of risk. You have 8 points of risk on the downside, and it can go back to 500. You have 100 points up. Would you do that on any stock today if you could take 8 points worth of risk for 100 points up? That's how insane Sam's 410 calls were. This thing today may go to 490 and 500. I told you they're going to come up with another chip. You can't, the U.S. as a country can't ban, say you can't just sell it. You have to say us why. You can't sell this feature. Okay, we take that feature out. You can't sell this feature. Take that feature out. You knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. 2 grand slams. Now you have 3. Avago is about to go. If it takes out 926, this has got 1,000 written all over it. And then you have Bitcoin, MicroStrategy. Wow. MicroStrategy going to look at the 522s, because if we take out 37,000, it's gone. How about the bond yesterday? Nail that one. And then the one hasn't gone yet that's about to go. Maybe it happens this week. It's surely going to happen by next week, in theory. Everything can go to shit. Microsoft. High of year, 366, almost 367. It takes that out, it's 371. It's 371. Then maybe it goes to shit and goes to 100 and everybody loses everything. But it's possible that it just goes nuts. Next one. I mean, this is why the market is giving you insane opportunities. Datadog beats guides up. Snow rockets to 163, goes down 5. Why did it go down 5? MDB rockets to 385, goes to 365, drops 20. Who the hell is selling? A bunch of morons. Complete morons. Yeah, maybe it doesn't go up, but it should. Into the earnings. Who's going to be short snow into the earnings on the 30th? Let me tell you, if they beat, it's 200. No, nobody's saying they're going to beat. But I'm just telling you. The logic is so simple in all this stuff right now. It's an opportunity. And so Sam is trading 1/10 volumes 2 weeks ago and 3 weeks ago and 4 weeks ago. Sam's trading 10 contracts and 15 contracts. Now he has 500 contracts of Lilly, 1,000 contracts of Microsoft, Vago. Why? Because you make money. Once you sell the first one, and we sold the first one last week of all this stuff as it was going up, Nvidia, you make your 100,000, you put in 20 or 30, that goes to 100,000, you put in 50, that goes to 100,000, you put in another 50, and that's how you make money. And who cares if you lose that 50? You're up 250. So let's say you're not putting in 50,000, you're putting in 5 divided by 10. So you make 50,000, you put in 5. Do you care if you lose it? If you care, you should stop trading. I'm telling you, you should stop trading. It's that simple. Sam doesn't pat you on the back for being stupid, okay? There are opportunities in time where the market is great and you have an opportunity to do great. And then there are opportunities in time where the market is shit and you don't do anything. One guy asked me yesterday, said, this guy's trying to sign up. He goes, how many alerts do you give? I heard you give too many alerts or too little. I'm like, if there's nothing to do, why would I tell you to do something? And I said, if Lilly's going up and you buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell and you made $100,000 and it's still going up, oh, I gave you too many alerts. See, people think they're just dumb. Don't be dumb. Okay, don't be dumb. Today, you go out there and look. It says the Nvidia, this guy is posting the Nvidia China chips, nobody's going to buy them. I'm just laughing. The guy's, he's broke. He's going to be living under a bridge by tonight. It's hilarious. Yesterday, some clown, now you tell me, how does some clown have 500 followers that's saying Powell is going to raise interest rates yesterday? The Fed hasn't raised interest rates outside the Fed meeting, up or down, in 15 years. 15 years. And he's telling you, and people are following him. You can't even make this up. That tells you right away he's brain dead. Don't follow brain dead. Okay, that's what we got. Wow. What a rant. What a rant. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. I don't even know what SPX is up. Got to be up. There it goes, up 6. At 6, you got 43.89, 44.09. That's your number. 44.09 is a bogey. If it gets through that, rippy. If it doesn't, crater. Okay? That's what we know. Okay? And job was kind of stuff. Nice. Okay. Avago. 926. Any close over 926, if they get rumblings that the deal is closed, they're going to squeeze this sucker to 1,000. I don't know if it's going to happen. Maybe it doesn't happen. Maybe it happens. I have no clue. I told you at the beginning of the week, I said there are 4 events that give you opportunity of a lifetime. And they're all coming. All of them. Okay? Nvidia. 481,500. Why wouldn't they rip this? If SPX can blow through 44.09, Nvidia's got 500 written all over it. Now, watch it go down. Some clown's going to come. Think about the clowns that are out there that writing a 2-page article that Nvidia's revenue is fraud. Can't even make this shit up. And they run a service. Jesus. Adobe. 594,609. CMG, if it can get over 2109 close, it can run 50 tomorrow. Lam Research. 652,671. In theory, Nvidia sells more chips. SCMI then has to make more machines. That means they have to buy more memory. LRCX. Lilly. 632. This may hit 630 and drop 6 or 8. Or it may break to 632 and go to 650 today. And then we see Snowman, 163, 166. MDB, 386. MicroStrategy, 509, 522. CELH 186, not doing it. Look, I don't care what you think, and I don't care if a stock comes out within the second set of news or third. All I care is when somebody misses and goes down, I've done the research, 5 years worth of research. It's best to avoid a stock that goes down hard on earnings for 4 to 6 weeks. That's it. I love SCMI. I think SCMI is going to take off. But I won't buy it because it's in my 4 to 6 week range. Then I'll buy it. And then I'll be ready. Okay? Interesting. That's CELH. BKNG, 3052. NOW looks like a breakup, 631, 652. Microsoft, 366, 367 accelerator. Tesla. Why would anybody play Tesla? Take it off your screen. You don't need to be playing Tesla. Last quiz, question, type it in. Why should you not be playing Tesla right now? If you get this wrong, go watch my video 50 times before you do another trade. Why should you not be playing Tesla? Come on, nobody's typing it in. This is really simple. Come on, type something. Come on. Everybody's like, I don't want to be wrong. Look, we're not keeping track. No, it's not 4 to 6 weeks. This is even simpler than that. Why are you not playing Tesla? There you go. Alex got it right. Better trades. There's better trades. Better moves. If you can buy Lilly, why are you going to take? Oh, I'm going to go sell all my Lilly and put my money in Tesla. Oh, Nvidia is great today, but I love Tesla. I'm in love. I'm in love with Tesla. I'm going to send Elon flowers and a beautiful letter, like Xi sent Trump. A beautiful letter. Why are you playing Tesla? Play what's working. Don't play what you hope and dream. Tesla is not working. No reason. Now watch in the first 5 minutes, Sam buys Tesla. If something comes, there's no reason to buy Tesla right now. Avago's about to go nuts. Nvidia's going nuts. Adobe's going nuts. CMG's moving. Lam Research is starting. Lilly's going nuts. Snow's moving. MDB's moving. MicroStrategy's moving. BKNG is moving. Now is moving. Microsoft is moving. Oh, but I want to buy Tesla. The logic is so simple. It's amazing. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.